Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 127. The specified procedure could not be found. Error procedure not found on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error system error code, then here are the fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute the command as shown on a screen. These three DISM tool execute one by one: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. After that, execute the command on the same window sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to privacy and security. From the right side, choose Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here choose scan options. Click on it and here you will find 4 options. Choose full scan. It could take longer than 1 hour, so wait till 100% very complete scanning. Choose scan now and it will take longer than 1 hour, so wait till 1 hour. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here choose programs and features. Here look for any problematic apps and programs having you are facing errors. Look for that and select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of that particular app or programs. The one more workaround you can try: right click on start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type RSTRUI and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings windows. Restore system files and settings and click on next and choose a system restore point, automatic restore point or Windows update. Choose as per your choice. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a system restore point. It may be older than and click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field. Your computer will restore from the Windows update and you have chosen such restoration point. And finally click on finish. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to system. From the right side, go to recovery settings. Click on recovery. Here scroll down and you will find reset this PC. Click on reset this PC. A new window will open. Here choose keep my files and this would not take long, and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of this PC process. Choose cloud download or local reinstall as per your choice and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of this PC process. After that, hopefully this error will be resolved. That's all.